Hello guys, Crypto Noob. This is update on Rollercoin after a lot of time, and I'm playing almost daily. As you can see, I did quests as usual, and there are a few passes at the moment. I'm on level 16, and at the moment there is a mayhem puzzle that I will get this miner and another prize, I think, from these three. Let's see. It's fine anyway. I got this miner. Let's see my power, how much will which are wait. Let me just buy one rack. I want low. I need a place to put new miner. I think this is my biggest miner that I have at the moment. I'll put all of them here. And let's see what. Oh my god. And also I want to merge. Oh, there's my achievements. At the moment there is no that I can claim, but I want to merge some miners. Roller family. This one. I need 2.3k fans. Let me see. Fans. Let's open few cases to get 2.3 if possible. Oh, I'm kinda lucky. How much do I have RLT season tokens? Okay, maybe I will have. Okay, I'm kinda lucky. Let's open all. I think this is the first big miner that I got. Roller family. And bought another one. Do I have enough? No, merge. Let's see. Roller family. I have enough. Oh, and I'll get more. Let's see, where was that miner? I don't know. Never mind. Next one I want to merge is the miner from last. I don't know what's his name. There it is. I need some wire, and it will give me good percent power. 5% power and big mining power. So that's it for now. Maybe I have a place to put another miner. you can play for free. There is I will put a link in description, and if you want you can join.